I will also join in Halo Halo fan. Watch my head kudos.
Hi, Ethan.
So are you ready to make your own Halo Halo together?
Always ready po.
Okay. Invite mo muna yung pawis mo kasi bawal yan ihalo sa Halo Halo natin. Hello, Andrea. Where are you from? From Davao. What barangay?
Barangay Maa.
Alright, let's give it up for Andrea. She'll be joining JL in creating their Halo Halos together. So, alam mo na? Na-memorize mo na yung procedure?
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin. Okay, Andrea's life is on the line here. So, ayusin mo. Ayusin mo.
Pressure naman.
Ayan. Mag-gloves muna tayo.
Ito pa yung
For the hygiene. So we have here all the ingredients laid out in front of us so that it's easier for us to make our Chowking Halo Halo Supreme by BGYO member JL and Andrea. But of course, safety and health first.
Pati ba ito?
I can hold your okay. The pressure na siya. Kasi pagsuot ng gloves pa lang, okay lang yan. Gloves lang yan. So are you both ready? We'll do our first step. So ito na yung cups nyo. May shaved ice na sa cup. So first step na to is 2 scoops of our condensed milk. Pour it all over your shaved ice. To those who want to make their halo halo,
Galing mo dyan yun na yung nilagay ko.
galing mo dyan din.
Thank
2
you.
scoops
Thank
already.
you sa compliment, bro.
And after our 2 scoops, we have our Tupperwares of ingredients already. So ilalagay mix ang ibang ingredients para mas easier to put in our halo halo. Yep, just chuck it right in. Parang mas mabilis si Andre dito ha. Mas may kwenta siya to have a sideline sa chopping kung ganahan siya. So we've included our second Tupperware of ingredients. It's 13 in total, but we're only halfway there. After this, we have, I think, one of the most important parts, our leche flan. One slice lang. For the right tansya of sweetness. Na-pressure din si Andrea. Hindi naman to tayo na Andrea ha. Okay, and after our leche flan, we have our ice cream. Not just any ice cream, ube ice cream. 1 scoop. Only one scoop, please.
Hey, next, stand by.
That's how you do it, okay? I love that JL is offering to scoop the ice cream. I love your outfit, Andrea. You look like ube ice cream also. I love it. Perfect. After our ube ice cream, pinipi. 1 good spoon of pinipi. Sprinkle that magic over our halo halo. There you go. We're almost there. After our pinipi, we're good to go. Congratulations. We'll have 1 picture. Hold your halo-halos. Ayan. I'll just be here in the background. Okay, say something. Thank you so much and congratulations, JL and Andrea, for making your choking Supreme. Pero una sa kanan, mag-gloves na
Gloves,
tayo.
gloves muna.
Yes. Ready? Na-pressure rin kayo sa gloves na part? Oo. No, na-pressure? Na-pressure ba kayo sa gloves na part? Kala niyo pa, guwapo pero bumol. Okay lang yan. Hello, Missy, how are you? Where are you from, Mindanao? What barangay? 16B. Alright, 16B! Are you ready? 40 minutes. Shouting Halo Supreme Experience. Are you ready? Alright, let's start.
Okay.
So, 2 scoops.
First group.
2 scoops. I can keep your microphone for you. 2 scoops of our condensed milk, and of course, Nick is a gentleman who will scoop it for the lady. 2 good scoops, that's right. And now, we have our portion of ingredients here, carefully portioned by our chalking team. And in those portions, we have different ingredients already. I see the ube halaya, I see the beans, I see the banana, the langka. So put that portion on your cup. Right. Beautiful. Also that one. I need to. And there you go. Those are our 2 portions. After that, we'll add some sweetness to it. Only 1 slice of leche flan. Alam ko maraming slices dyan, pero 1 slice only, please. Take home na yung iba. Yes, such a gentleman. Perfect. 2 slices yan. Isang slice. Usara. Kana. Very good. Now we add only 1 scoop of ice cream. Not just any ice cream, it's the purple kind. It's ube ice cream. And Missy has her scoop already. Oh, she's so sweet. She also put it in Nate's cup. That's so nice. And then of course she has to fill it up in her cup too. What's halo halo without ube ice cream? And after that, we can top that off with some magic pea pig. Sprinkle it good on top. This is our last step for today. Our shopping Halo Supreme with our 13 sucked up. There you have it. Congratulations. Let's have a picture. You may remove your gloves. And you may hold your cups with you. The proud makers of the Shocking Halo Supreme by BGYO, member Nate and Missy. Good job, both of you. Cheers. I think there should be a competition at some point. We will time it next time.
And think we won.
You think, not yet. We still have 3 more pairs.
No.
Excited? No.
Anyway.
Okay.
Thank you,
Next pair. Thank you so much, Nate. Thank you so much, Missy. Enjoy your Shocking Halo Supreme. And now let's give it up for our next pair, Jessa and Akira. Hello, Ate Jessa. So nice to finally meet you.
Kailangan mo
Hello, Akira. You good for this? Oh, memorize mo na yung mga steps. Hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. It's okay. Tuloy
Alam
lang.
mo natin ginagawa na pero gusto ko
We will help you. Ay, nakamali kayo like last time eh. 2 slice yun.
Tatlo na po ngayon.
Dapat isa lang. Dapat isa lang. Pero una sa tanan, mag-gloves muna tayo. Of course, health is a priority for Chowking.
Tama.
Yung sabi sa tama.
Grabe. Mukhang nagpalaban yung malaban pang itong group na to.
So our 2 pairs are putting on their gloves already. And we have here, once again, our starting cups of shaved ice. What do you think is the first step here? Yes? Yes? 1
Leche flan.
No! Sayok!
Galing!
Sayok means mali.
Ay,
Mali. Let's start off with our condensed milk. 2 scoops.
2 scoop.
Yes, 2 scoops for our
Not 1, not 3.
2 for the spoon.
Bumaba na.
Not 1, not 3, 2. Duha ka scoops. Dalawang scoop.
Aking tingin ko kaya mo 30 seconds yan, tapos na.
Kasi Mr.
And now, just a little, so put your 2 scoops of condensed milk. That's the perfect way to start off our chunking Halo Halo Supreme. And you can see in front of you, we have 2 portions, each with different ingredients, so you may open them and just add them on top of your shaved ice and condensed milk. Don't eat it yet. You can put it there, yes. Ayan, just like a professional. And now we have a second portion to add to that. You may also carefully open that and just put that on top of everything else. No, not yet.
Ano?
Alright, and after that, ang favorite part ni Akira, leche flan.
Three by one.
1-1. That's why it's leche flan only 1. Tingnan natin, isa lang. Isa lang. Ayan. Honesty is the best policy dito sa Chowking. Tama, okay. Another just, okay. Just a little, put in 1 slice of leche flan. Do you need more tissue? Okay, and now we're done with our leche flan. We can now add our ube ice cream. 1 scoop. Here we have our scooper. Ayan, no, isang scoop lang din. Only 1 scoop of ube ice cream, only 1 slice of leche flan. Okay, take turns. 1 big, pwede yan. 1 big scoop. I will accept that. Perfect. That's a very big scoop. Okay, good for you, Akira. Good for you. And now we can top that off with our pinipig. We don't need your glove muna. Mamaya na yan. Not in front of the cameras. Okay, 1 good spoon of pinipig. The last sprinkle of magic. Okay, Halo Halo Supreme. Alright, thank you so much to this pair. Now we are ready for our next. You may take a spoon. There you have it. And enjoy your chunky Halo Halo Supreme. Mind your head. Thank you so much. See you again later. And up next we have Mickey and Paul. Join me in the band, Mickey and Paul. Hello, Paul. Hi, hello, how are you? Hello, Mickey. Do you still remember your mga steps? Yeah.
Step 1.
Ano na? Step 1. Okay. That's where we will start. We'll start at the very beginning. Ayan, mag-jobs muna tayo. Okay. Before anything, of course, we have to prioritize hygiene, health, and safety. Sa jobs pa lang ba, na-professional lahat ng tao dito sa kami. Are you ready? So we have here our 2 cups of shaved ice. Our first step is our milk mix. 2 scoops, dalawang scoop. Alright, Paul, you may do the honors. 2 scoops, right. Pour that over that shaved ice. And now it's your turn, Mickey.
Yeah.
Only 2 scoops.
Let's go! Isa pa, isa pa!
Alright, no, only 2 scoops. 2 scoops have one slice, again, one slice of leche flan. You can have the white there. Yes, that's the one. Only one slice. Very good. Perfect. And it's all coming together. One slice comes. It's all coming together slowly. Very carefully adding the very fragile leche flan. It's okay. After leche flan, of course, we need to add one scoop of ube ice cream. Yes, we have our scooper there. That's right. Make it one good scoop. And then you may add, that's one big scoop. Thank you. And you may add that. Now also Mickey will add one good scoop of ube ice cream, of course, the best ice cream. That's okay. That's why you're wearing gloves. And now our last step, pinipig. Sprinkle some pinipig on top of your mixture. Yes, that's the last magic touch to finish off our choking halo-halo supreme. I love how careful both of you are with the ingredients. And congratulations, take off the gloves, get your choking halo-halo supreme and pose for a photo. I-remove natin. Tanggalin natin yung gloves. Nahalo-halo natin yung Bisaya at yung Tagalog sa utak ko. Alright, you may take your cups and spoons and proudly present it to the cameras for a quick photo. And the proud makers of our choking halo-halo supreme, we have Nikki and Paul. Show it to the camera. Yes, you made that, and you should be proud of it. I have cheers now. Thank you very much to Nikki and Paul. Enjoy your choking halo-halo supreme. I'll see you again later. And now we have our last but definitely not the least, Jello and Carlo. Hi Carlo. Akuya, thank you so much. So before we begin, we need to put on our gloves. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Ay, gloves muna.
Prepare na. Mag-gloves muna tayo. I'm sure it's always a little trickier to put on the gloves kung sintuman ka mo. Alright, so we have here our shaved ice in front of you. Our first step is to add our milk mix, this one right here. 2 scoops. Okay, we have Carla going first with 2 scoops.
Galing.
Okay, that's a good 2 scoops. Thank you, Jello. Now you can put down the cups for now. And in front of you, you see 2 portions. Both of you need to add those 2 portions to your respective cup. Carefully. Try not to spill any of our ingredients. Oh, sweet! Gilig mag-away. And now we have our second portion. It's giving wedding. For some reason, it's giving wedding. You know, when they take the cake together with bride and groom. Alright, we have 2 portions here. Next, we can add 1 slice of leche flan. Gusto ka slice ng leche flan? Alright, I love how honest you are with the slices of leche flan. Because this really is the right ratio to make the perfect choking halo-halo supreme. After that, we have a ton of ice cream, our ube ice cream, but only 1 scoop for that will do. That's a very big scoop. Beautiful! I love how that turned out. Now we can add also a scoop for Carlo. Woo! Let me just cover. You're welcome. Okay, after our ube ice cream, we can now have the final step, pinipig. One good sprinkle, like a little touch of magic to your choking hot cream. Also,